Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 7.4. Let's look at the first subdivision, integral of x cube into 1 plus x power 4 the whole cube dx. So now we are going to put 1 plus x power 4 as t. So this means 4x cube dx is equal to dt. I have an x cube dx already there. So I'm finding what is the value of x cube dx to be dt by 4. Now let's substitute it here. So in this case, 1 plus x power 4 is t. So this becomes t cube. X cube into dx is dt by 4. So you can take the 1 by 4 outside. So it becomes integral t cube dt. Now you can directly perform integration. So this is 1 by 4 into t power 4 by 4 plus c. So this is t power 4 by 16 plus c. Now t is a temporary variable. So let's put back the value. So t is 1 plus x power 4 the whole power 4 divided by 16 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. So here it is integral of 2x plus 4 into root of x squared plus 4x plus 3 dx. So here what we are going to substitute is x squared plus 4x plus 3 as t. So x squared plus 4x plus 3 is equal to t. So 2x plus 4 dx is equal to dt. Now let's put it in the integration. So this 2x plus 4 into dx will be dt. So what is inside the root will be just a t. So root t dt. Now this can be directly integrated as t to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. So rearranging it is 2 by 3 t to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Put back the t's value. So this is x squared plus 4x plus 3 the whole power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.